Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix something on wrong. Try again on YouTube. First of all, open your Play Store application. Tap on search. Now search here YouTube. Update your YouTube application. If it is available, you can see my YouTube application already updated. Now go back your home screen. Tap and hold YouTube application. Tap on this icon. Now scroll down little bit. You can see here storage and tap on storage. Now you can see here clear data. Tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Remember that if you delete your all data, you have to leave login again. On your YouTube, go back your home screen. Now restart your device. Tap on restart, again tap on restart. Now open your YouTube application. You can see here your problem solved. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.